Get ready to elevate your bathroom to new heights of luxury. Explore the hottest trends of 2024 and unlock innovative ideas that will transform your daily routine into a spa-like experience. Dive into the video now and discover stylish inspiration for your dream bathroom. HD Interiors fans, welcome back to this exciting video. If you're considering renovating your bathroom or looking for some fresh inspiration, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring the top 7 bathroom trends for 2024. These trends will not only elevate your bathroom's aesthetic, but also enhance its functionality, making it a luxurious and relaxing space you'll love to spend time in. Let's dive in. Smart technology is transforming bathrooms in 2024. Imagine a mirror that provides perfect lighting, weather updates, and more, all with a touch. Smart mirrors are the future of bathroom design, blending functionality with a sleek look. Smart showers allow you to preset your favorite water temperature and pressure, ensuring a perfect shower every time. Some even offer voice activation for added convenience. Voice-activated lighting lets you adjust brightness and color with ease. Want a relaxing, dimly lit bath? Just say the word, and your bathroom transforms into a serene retreat. Smart technology enhances your daily routine and adds a touch of luxury to your bathroom, making it more personalized and enjoyable. In 2024, sustainability is key in bathroom design. Recycled materials, such as glass countertops, reduce waste and offer a stylish, eco-conscious choice. Water-saving fixtures like low-flow shower heads conserve water without compromising performance. Energy-efficient LED lighting not only reduces electricity usage, but also enhances ambience. Choosing sustainable materials like bamboo for cabinetry and natural stone for tiles adds durability and a connection to nature. With these eco-friendly choices, you can create a modern, stylish bathroom that's also kind to the planet. Minimalism is a timeless trend that continues to shine in 2024. Clean lines and uncluttered spaces create a sense of calm and elegance in your bathroom. A floating vanity is a popular choice for minimalist bathrooms. Its sleek design creates an illusion of space, while hidden storage keeps clutter out of sight. Frameless glass shower enclosures are another minimalist favorite. Their seamless look enhances the spaciousness of your bathroom and adds a touch of sophistication. Minimalist decor focuses on functionality without sacrificing style. Simple, neutral colors, clean surfaces, and strategic use of accessories create a harmonious and inviting atmosphere. Embracing minimalism in your bathroom design not only creates a visually appealing space, but also promotes a sense of serenity and relaxation. Bringing the beauty of nature indoors is a major trend in 2024 bathroom design. Natural materials and earthy tones create a warm, inviting atmosphere. Natural stone, such as marble or granite, adds elegance and durability to your bathroom. Paired with wooden accents, it creates a harmonious blend of textures and colors. Earthy color palettes, including warm browns, soft greens, and soothing beiges, evoke a sense of serenity and connection to the outdoors. Incorporating live plants and maximizing natural light further enhances the natural theme, creating a refreshing and revitalizing space. By embracing natural materials and earthy tones, you can transform your bathroom into a tranquil retreat inspired by the beauty of the natural world. Freestanding tubs and large showers. Creating a spa-like experience at home is a top priority in bathroom design for 2024. Freestanding tubs and large showers are key elements in achieving that luxurious ambience. Freestanding tubs are not just functional, they're also statement pieces that add a touch of sophistication to your bathroom. Their elegant designs and deep soaking capabilities create a relaxing retreat within your home. Large showers with multiple shower heads and bench seating offer a spa-like experience every day. They provide ample space for relaxation and rejuvenation. Combining a freestanding tub with a large walk-in shower gives you the best of both worlds, luxurious bathing and refreshing showers. It's the ultimate indulgence in bathroom design. By incorporating freestanding tubs and large showers into your bathroom design, you can create a private sanctuary that rivals the experience of a luxury spa. Lighting plays a crucial role in creating ambience and functionality in your bathroom. Integrated lighting solutions are a major trend in 2024, offering both style and practicality. Under-cabinet lighting is perfect for task lighting, illuminating your vanity area for grooming activities without harsh shadows. Backlit mirrors not only add a touch of modernity but also provide even, flattering lighting for your reflection. Recessed lighting creates a spa-like ambience in your shower area, offering soft, diffused light for a relaxing bathing experience. By integrating different lighting solutions like under-cabinet lights, backlit mirrors, and recessed lighting, you can customize the ambience of your bathroom to suit your mood and needs. Transforming your bathroom into a personal spa is a top trend in 2024. Wellness features are gaining popularity for their ability to enhance relaxation and well-being. Steam showers offer a luxurious spa experience right at home. The soothing steam helps relax muscles, detoxify the skin, and promote overall wellness. Heated floors add a touch of luxury and comfort to your bathroom experience. Stepping onto warm floors on a chilly morning is a delightful sensation. Aromatherapy systems allow you to enjoy the therapeutic benefits of essential oils while bathing. They can help reduce stress, improve mood, and create a spa-like ambience. By incorporating wellness features like steam showers, heated floors, and aromatherapy systems, you can create a bathroom that promotes relaxation, rejuvenation, and a sense of well-being. Now that we've explored the top 7 bathroom trends for 2024, it's time to recap and take action to transform your own bathroom into a modern oasis. We started by delving into the world of smart technology, where innovations like smart mirrors, showers, and voice-activated controls are revolutionizing our daily routines. Next, we embrace sustainability with eco-friendly designs, low-flow fixtures, and energy-efficient lighting choices that benefit both your home and the planet. The minimalist trend showcased sleek designs, hidden storage solutions, and frameless glass enclosures, creating a clutter-free and elegant space. Natural materials and earthy tones brought the outdoors in, fostering a warm and inviting atmosphere that promotes relaxation. We indulged in luxury with freestanding tubs and large showers, transforming our bathrooms into private spas. Integrated lighting solutions added both style and functionality, while wellness features like steam showers, heated floors, and aromatherapy systems enhanced our well-being. Which trend resonates with you the most? Are you ready to upgrade your bathroom and experience the luxury and comfort of these modern trends? Share your thoughts and plans in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest home improvement tips and trends. Thank you for joining us on this journey to transform your bathroom into a space you'll love.